Solve the simultaneous equation 3x minus 2y is equal to minus 21 and 2x plus 7y is equal to 11. So write down both equations and then we're going to call this one number 1. So it's a good idea to label them. Number 1, you should label them on this side because it makes it easier. And this one number 2. Right, you can either make the x's the same by multiplying the top one by 2 or the bottom one and the bottom one by 3. Or the y is the same by multiplying the top one by 7 and the bottom one by 2. I'm going to make the y is the same, so I'm going to multiply the top one by 7. 3x times 7 gives me 21x. 3 minus 2y times 7 gives me minus 14y. And then 7 times minus 21 gives me minus 147. Now I'm going to multiply the bottom one by 2. So 2 times 2 gives me 4x. 2 times 7y gives me 14y. And 2 times 11 gives me 22. Right, now we got the numbers the same. One's negative and one's positive, so you need to add them together. So 21x plus 4x gives me 25x. Minus 14y plus 14y gives me nothing. Minus 147 plus 22 is going to give me minus 125. In order to find x, we're going to have to divide both sides of this by 25. And we're going to get that x is equal to minus 5. Now, in order to find y, we need to substitute into one of these two equations. I'm going to substitute into 1. So substituting into 1, we're going to have 3 times minus 5 minus 2y is equal to minus 21. 3 times minus 5 is minus 15, minus 2y is equal to minus 21. Adding 15 to both sides, which is going to give me on this side minus 22y. Don't forget that minus sign is still there. And then minus 21 plus 15 is going to give me minus 6. In order to find y, we're going to divide by minus 2. So we're going to get that y is minus 6 divided by minus 2, which is 3. Right, we should just do a little check now in 2. So now checking in 2. So we've got 2 times x. That's 2 times minus 5 plus 7 times 3. 2 times minus 5 is minus 10 plus 21. Minus 10 plus 21 is 11. That's good because that's what we wanted. Therefore, we know we've got the answer correct. So the answer is x is equal to minus 5 and y is equal to 3. Okay, this has been a video to show you how to solve simultaneous equations by elimination. I hope you've understood and I thank you very much for watching.